Hello everyone, and we are watching the Rode NT1A studio microphone unboxing. So I picked up this mic, and finally a large diaphragm condenser, so this should be good for some vocals, voiceovers, etc. But just for miscellaneous recordings, this would be a fantastic mic. So let's have a look. This is one big box, by the way. It's a rather big and heavy box. Lots of nice stuff included. So if I can only get it to open. Okay. Okay, with shock mount and a pop shield. So this is a whole stack of stuff. Rode NT1A instruction manual. I love Rode microphones. Cool. NT1A Studio Secrets. What's this? 10-year warranty. 10-year warranty. So let's these away. Okay, there's the mic. Beautiful microphone down here. That, and then we have the XLR cable, the 6-meter XLR cable that comes with it. The dust cover, very thin cover actually, just it's a cover after all. So we have a box inside a box. Inception. So if we can get this to open. Alright. And this is the heavy bit. This is very heavy. So we have the shock mount and the pop filter. So is there an opening to this? Right, so this entire unit is actually quite heavy. It's very beefy and it feels very solid, and it's heavy. It's made of metal, very high quality. And then we have the integrated pop filter along with the shock mount. So you have to tighten the pop filter manually. So there it is. So this is what's causing all the bulk and weight in the box apparently. Now let's take a look at the microphone itself. It's a 1-inch diameter, large diaphragm condenser microphone. Just look at that. Beautiful piece of gear. It's much lighter than I expected. XLR connection. Alright, so we're now doing an audio test of the Rode NT1A. I'm using the provided XLR cable, and the NT1A is plugged into my Zoom H6. So here is how the NT1A sounds like. Now I'm going to go very close to the mic. I'm going to turn down the volume a little bit. So here you can hear the proximity effect. I'm almost touching the mic. My face is like right on the pop filter and I'm speaking right now. So let's go back a little. Alright, so this is basically how the NT1A sounds like without any EQ, any compression. So now let's do a little bit of processing to the audio and let's see how it sounds. Alright, so you're now listening to processed audio. I've applied EQ and compressor to it. So this is how it sounds like. It sounds pretty good, I think. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next video.